You want it, you got it. Let's pack for a cold weather trip for 4 days at Urban Cowboy in the Catskills. Including your travel outfit, there's a heavy jacket, 2 sweaters, a bodysuit and light jacket, 2 jeans, 2 active sets, 3 sweatshirts, a long sleeve tee, a pair of sweatpants, a swimsuit, and PJs. On the drive-in, stop at Walmart for water and snacks for the trip. At night, have dinner at the Pines and hang out in the lodge's game room. The next day, take a scenic yoga class at Peace Love and Yoga, eat lunch at Watershed, hike Giant Ledge, and have a well-deserved soak in your room's tub. At night, have dinner at Peekamoose and do karaoke at the lodge. Day 3, hike Ashakan Quarry, go to the Mud Club in Early Terrible and Woodstock, then come back to your soaker tub in the lodge's sauna. That night, have dinner at the hotel and hang by the fire pit with your neighbors. Day 4, grab lunch at Phoenicia Diner on your way home. This time I packed the cube in order of the itinerary. If there's space, add intimates and socks or put them in a small pouch and get it all in the bag. Bring makeup and toiletries, 3 shoes, sneakers, hiking shoes, and boots. Wear your sneakers to travel and put the other 2 in shoe bags. Bring 1 hair tool, the hotel has a blow dryer. In the outside pockets, pack a small, versatile day-to-night bag to hold your phone and wallet. Pack your phone charger and key for your front door, not your whole keychain. Wear your cold weather accessories with your travel outfit or put them in the pocket of your coat and you're out.